Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to show you how to make a delicious Moroccan carrot salad. This dish is not only bursting with flavors, but also incredibly healthy. So, let's dive right in. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 500 grams of fresh carrots, about 4 to 5 medium-sized carrots, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, salt and pepper to taste, a handful of fresh cilantro, chopped, a handful of toasted sesame seeds for garnish, optional. First, we need to prepare the carrots. Wash and peel them, then slice them thinly into rounds. Next, bring a pot of water to a boil. Add the carrot slices, and let them blanch for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're slightly tender, but still crisp. This will help to enhance the salad's texture and color. While the carrots are blanching, let's make the dressing. In a bowl, combine the minced garlic, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, cumin, paprika, and a touch of cinnamon. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Once the carrots are blanched, drain them and transfer them to a large mixing bowl. While they're still warm, pour the dressing over the carrots. This will allow them to absorb all those incredible flavors. Now add a generous handful of freshly chopped cilantro. This adds a lovely fresh contrast to the dish. For an extra layer of flavor and a bit of crunch, you can sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top. This is optional, but it adds a fantastic element to the salad. Give everything a good toss to make sure the carrots are evenly coated with that flavorful dressing and the herbs are distributed throughout. And there you have it, a beautiful Moroccan carrot salad. This dish is perfect as a side, or you can enjoy it on its own as a healthy snack. Thank you for joining us today to make this delicious Moroccan carrot salad. It's a fantastic way to add some North African flavors to your kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes from around the world. See you next time.